Keith Griffin here, coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. Guys, I was on vacation, saw this story about spit out my beer. So the Supreme Court, in all their great wisdom, decided that as long as it was within the official acts of the presidency, Donald Trump or Joe Biden or Obama or whoever could do whatever the hell they want, is basically what they said. They said that it cannot be that they have absolute immunity for any official acts. And furthermore, not only do they have absolute immunity, but it can be brought up in other acts. So if I'm a police officer and I kill somebody by mistake while arresting them, if I'm an accountant and I dodge the tax codes, if I'm a firefighter and an ambulance driver and I'm driving, I kill somebody in the way to save somebody else, I could be held directly liable for that. Not only should our public representatives be held to that standard, they should be held to a higher standard. It's absolutely ridiculous that just because you're president, that you have absolute immunity. I mean, we elect them. You are a public servant for 4 years. If you do a great job, maybe you get another 4 years. This does not give you carte blanche to do whatever the hell you want. And again, this isn't even Trump. This could be Trump, Biden, Obama, Clinton, somebody else. It doesn't matter. It's absolute bullshit. Let me give you an example. I mean, what is an official act here? Is an official act, taking the military and declaring martial law and then breaking up peaceful protests? Is that an official act? Could an official act being pardoning anybody carte blanche for your benefit? Is that an official act? Is an official act starting a war, not Yahoo style, to save your own ass? Is that an official act? How about appointing corrupt judges? Is that an official act? I mean, the term official act could be literally anything, which is terrifying. Because again, this is America. We democratically elect a president and other state officials or government officials. We do not appoint kings. We do not appoint dictators. And I feel like that's where this is going. Like, this is something that I think would show up in like Putin's kangaroo court or Kim Jong-un or Xi Jinping. That's something that would happen in those countries. It does not happen in America, because what we're doing is we're setting the precedent for the president to be above the law. And we've said from the founding fathers that the president is not above the law. And yet the Roberts Court has decided otherwise. And there's just no way around that. I mean, I hate to say it. I'm not terribly surprised. If you look at the Roberts Court and what they've done over the last 10, 15 years, it's pretty consistent. They, time and time again, what they'll do is they put the power of a few over the common good, whether that be Citizens United, whether that be this presidential decision. I mean, you could go on and on. It's pretty clear that they favor special interest and the powerful over the many. That's who they are. That's what they've been. But to me, this takes it to a whole nother level, because it just makes it very difficult to hold the powerful accountable here. And, if it's the president, what next? Our senators next, House Representatives, the other justices. I mean, the Supreme Court has no code, so they police themselves. So, do they want to codify that? It's just a very slippery slope, and I just don't see how you can have the faith of the American people and have a ruling like this. Because it says, I don't care what you want. It says I'm going to do what I want. It's an official act, and there's nothing you can do about it. And as an American, nonpartisan American, it's just very disheartening. So let me know what you think. That's my initial thoughts. I'll have further videos with more analysis. Thanks.